In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be confidently adjusting the magnification of any PDF so you can read small text, inspect details, or present clearly on screen without any guesswork. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This walkthrough is based on the desktop app, and the interface may look slightly different depending on your version, but the core idea is the same. Launch the app the way you normally would and let it load to the home screen. Next, choose the PDF you want to work with, then click on Edit a PDF. You can open your file from the recent list or by browsing to it. Selecting Edit a PDF brings you into an editing workspace where Acrobat shows your document with a set of tools ready on the side. Even though Zoom works in reading mode too, we're following this path to match the setup you'll likely see if you're preparing to make changes or closely review your content. If your file contains scanned pages, Acrobat may quietly analyze the document in the background. That doesn't affect zooming, so you can continue right away. Once your PDF is open, look to the right edge of the screen for a small menu. Think of it as a compact toolbar that floats or docks along the side. Depending on your window size, it may appear as a slim strip that expands when you hover over it. If your page is fully visible, you should notice a few recognizable icons in this area. If the page seems cramped, try maximizing the window so the menu has room to display the tools more clearly. Within that small right side menu, find the plus icon. That's the zoom in control. Click it to increase the magnification of your document. Each click nudges the zoom level higher, and you'll see the page content grow accordingly. Keep an eye on the percentage indicator, which usually appears near the toolbar or along the top bar. It's a helpful reference to know how far you've zoomed. Click the plus again until the text and images are as large and comfortable as you need. If you overshoot and things look too big, the nearby minus icon reduces the zoom in the same step-by-step way, and you can fine-tune from there. Take a moment to scroll around at your chosen zoom level to make sure everything is crisp and easy to read. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, load your PDF, and switch to Edit a PDF. Locate the compact right-hand menu and use the plus icon to zoom in. Simple, precise, and reliable every time.